Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover SE finished in grey. This 2022 model comes with a 3-litre D300 diesel engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. Pixel LED headlights will give the driver great visibility no matter the current weather, and this car stands proudly on 23-inch alloy wheels with the 10 split-spoke gloss black alloy wheel design. There's around 800 litres of usable boot space capacity with the parcel shelf removed, allowing for larger luggage items and items. There is also adjustable air suspension to help lift heavier items in, and the tow shelf and the boot can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back, we can see the ebony black Windsor leather seats, which do contain ISOFIX points on either side. There is also a fold-down armrest, which will reveal 2 cup holders as well as a storage tray. And the rear passengers can also utilise their own AC climate control system. Making our way into the front, we can see the continuation of the ebony Windsor leather with the additional trimmings on the dashboard and the large panoramic sunroof as well, letting lots of light into the cabin. The front seats have additional side support for extra comfort on long journeys, and they are electronically adjusted with lumbar support, which is located on the passenger and driver side door, which does also include memory. Here's a closer look at the multifunctional 2-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, with controls on the left for the volume, voice control and virtual cockpit, and the right for the cruise control and the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit has different display options to best suit the driver preference, including driving data, map and different dial options. The 13.1-inch touchscreen allows you to use satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access Bluetooth as well as radio with FM and DAB, and there is also wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are also found here as well, which do have varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. There is then a climate control panel below with a concealed compartment with a place to store your phone with a USB-C charger. The automatic gear selector fits comfortably in the hand and glides seamlessly through the different modes. By putting the car into reverse, we can find the rear camera and parking sensors as well as the 3D imagery. Behind the centre console there is a set of concealed cup holders which can be slid back to reveal 2 USB ports as well as a storage pocket, and the armrest itself can also be lifted up to reveal another storage pocket as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover SE. For more information, please do get in touch with our sales team now.